Oh, spider web, how perfect you seem to me, with the beauty of those dewdrops in such delicate symmetry.
Oh, spider web, how softly you sway in air,
A silver-threaded tapestry,
suspended with patient care. Each strand a whispered story spun in the quiet of night, catching the dawn's first glimmer and holding it fast in light. You shimmer with fleeting jewels that appear in sunlight rays,
a fragile shining miracle. So exquisite are your displays.
oh spider web,
Though brief is the life that you weave,
you show that even an insect small, a masterpiece can achieve. Oh, spider web,
in quiet air you gleam,
a delicate silver wonder,
more lovely
than a dream.
each strand in soft alignment
Holds fast yet seems so free,
a fragile work of
patience in perfect harmony. Oh, spider web,
you fade with morning light,
yet leave a trace of beauty
that lingers
in my sight. Your geometric patterns always leave me breathless,
a fragile strand of beauty rare,
the wonder of nature's necklace.